Apropos of nothing, I am not, listen carefully, not here to tell my fellow New York City ladies to go out and buy a taser or a stun hun, but seeing as how many women are getting punched on the streets right now, here are some fun facts about New York City laws. For the love of knowledge. I am not a lawyer and this is not legal advice. Stay safe, ladies. The main law that says what you can carry in New York is 265.01. This is 265.01, pause to get the gist, and you can go read it in full online. This is still on the books, but in 2019, in Avita Bile v. Beach, 2601, as applied to electronic dart and stun huns, was challenged and found to be unconstitutional, and the police were ordered to not enforce it anymore. Less specific to stun huns, in 2022, a decision reaffirmed Heller and McDonald and basically said that the New York laws limiting access to hums as a whole were unconstitutional. So again, 26501, still on the books, still law, which I am not telling you to break. Do not break it. But two of the highest courts have now found it unenforceable and unconstitutional. And while I do ironically disagree with the 2022 ruling, it's the 2019 one that's very specific that I find very interesting. And I thought you might find interesting too. Some other fun facts that I'm sharing for the love of knowledge: kitty knuckles are a no-no. But 265.2a does allow for self-defense sprays, which have to follow these rules. Pause to read and pause to read. Lastly, hat pins over 9 inches were banned in several cities in the early 1900s because women were using them in self-defense against random attacks on the street. The times, they are not a-changin'. They were definitely banned in Chicago. I can't find a law on the books in New York, but just to be safe, keep your hat pins under 9 inches, ladies. Or hypothetical hat pins, of course. Again, informational purposes only.